Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Subaru Roman 15 front bumper. First, protect your vehicle's paint by applying painter's tape along the edges of the fenders and headlights. This simple step helps prevent any accidental scratches during the removal process. Next, open your hood and locate the 10 push clips positioned along the top of the bumper. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver or a trim removal tool to carefully pry up and remove each of these clips. Moving on, you'll need to address the fasteners in the wheel wells. On both the driver and passenger sides, locate and remove the push clips that secure the bumper to the wheel well lining. Additionally, there are several clips and sometimes bolts underneath the vehicle, securing the splash shield to the bumper. Carefully remove these to ensure the bumper is fully detached from the undercarriage. With all the clips and bolts removed, it's time to gently release the bumper. Start by pulling the bumper outwards from the fender edges on both sides. You'll hear clips disengage as you work your way towards the center. Before completely pulling the bumper away, remember to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights. These are typically simple push and release connectors, ensuring the bumper can be fully separated from the vehicle. When reinstalling your front bumper, the process is essentially the reverse of removal. First, ensure all fog light electrical connectors are securely reattached. Carefully align the bumper with the vehicle's mounting points, pushing it firmly into place until all the clips engage. Finally, reinsert all the push clips and bolts you removed earlier, making sure each one is properly secured for a snug and safe fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.